Well, this is the engine room, effectively, of the former RAF Hope Cove radar station. This is the main plant room, and this is an original 1950s fit-out. All this equipment was installed here in the 1950s and was kept running right up until the mid-1990s, because after the RAF left it became a regional seat of government, and this equipment was maintained and running until the mid-1990s. The structure is now listed Grade 2 with Historic England, mainly because of its rarity. There are not too many of these structures left now.